Now today is my 18 video on the YouTube. I belong from Chaudhary family. Okay, today our topic is about ourselves, our dream, goal and passion. Okay, so let's start. Every person has some passion, dream and goal. Okay, so I want to clear to that guys. If you have any kind of passion in your life, okay, and you want to do any kind of work in your life, you want to get success in your life, okay, so you should always listen yourself. You haven't listened about another person, okay, all right, and always do that work what you want to do in your life, and in which work your interest is happen, okay. And second point is that passion is also depend on the dreams, okay. When you have any kind of dream, then you have a passion also about it, okay. And you will do that work, then you have a courage, you have a passion, you have an interest, okay, and you have a belief for that work. Yes, I will do that work, so I will get success in my life and I will live happy. Happy is the most compulsory in your life, okay. If you are not happy about any kind of work, so we will not get success in that work also. It's a really, okay. And if another person say to you, why are you doing this work? No, it's not correct. You can do anything else, and you will not get success in that work after some time. Now you are enjoying this work. Now you are saying to I want to live happy in my work, in my life. That's why I am doing this work. So they will always tell to you, guys, okay, it's not good for you, but you haven't listened to that person, okay. You have always listened to yourself, okay, so you can do your work very perfectly, okay. And now third point is that because today's light is not in the home, okay, electricity will be go, that's why, okay. Now start. All right, so third point is that your goal, okay. So your goal is also depend on the your dream and your passion. That's make your goals, okay. So if you want to do something different work in your life, okay, if you want to do start any kind of business, okay, and if you want to do teaching, okay, yeah, dancing classes, music classes, painting classes, and other kind of summer courses classes, okay, like a beautician, like a acupuncture, okay, and like a fitness classes, any kind of work. So always remember, any kind of work start from a small work, okay, and then it's change in a big work, all right. And success is also start from a small work, then it will convert into the big success, okay, in a big work, okay. So don't worry, don't think about so much, and let's start whatever you want to do in your life, Okay, you should keep your confidence very strong. Okay, and you should believe on yourself, your dream, your goal, your passion. Okay, and your God is also all right, because belief also comes from the God. Okay, so please believe on it. All right, and any kind of business if you are starting, so remember it, you will not get success in a one day, in a 1 month. Okay, but you will get success in a after 3 months, after 6 months, and after 1 year. Okay, maybe if you are doing teaching, if you are opening business, you haven't any client, you haven't any customer, you haven't any student in a 1 month, in a 2 month, in a 3 month. So please don't lose your belief, don't lose your confidence. You should do your work. Okay, you have to focus on your work only. Okay, then you will get success in that work one day also. Okay, and maybe one student, one client, one customer will come in your office, in your business, in your home, in your school. Okay, and maybe if you have any kind of shop, so any kind of customer can also come. Okay, then it will be convert into a lots of pupils. Okay, so please do your work. Okay, and please keep a dream in your life. Okay, every day you have a some dream. Okay, and you should remember your dream, and you have to always say to yourself, yes, I have to do complete my dream, I have to goal my achieve. Okay, in my life, and I have to prove myself to front of every persons. And please guys, I want to suggest to you, please, if any kind of teachers, in any kind of elders, you are in any kind of your relatives, in any kind of friends in your life, they are saying to you, you don't do this kind of work and you will not get success in that work, so please keep distance from that kind of person. Okay, or please don't listen to any kind of this kind of persons. Okay, only you have to believe on that persons, you have to listen only that kind of people. You have to get courage from that persons. Okay, and they are saying to you, no, don't worry, you can do it. Okay, and you will get success in a one day. Okay, you have to do this work. Okay, you have to keep constant from that kind of work. Okay, so you have to believe only that kind of persons, and you have to keep friendship to that kind of relatives, friends, and teachers. All right. Okay, so please, guys, I want to suggest to you only three important point in your life, so you can follow it in your life. First, keep focus on your work. Okay, do preparing. Okay, and keep meditation. Okay, keep dedication. All right. Okay, and please keep desire burning for that kind of work. Okay guys, we hope you will like this video and you follow it, all kind of tips in your life, so you can get success in your life. Okay, so if you liked it, so please do comment, share, subscribe this channel, and like it also. Okay, we hope we will meet on the next video very soon. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू ऑल ऑफ यू, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. ऑल राइट, बाय.